Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of the Sora 2 watermark in your videos. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm also going to be sharing an invite code for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so welcome back to the video. So the majority of this video is for educational purposes only, and why Sora actually had that watermark is to show that the video was created using Sora, since it's basically free, and to also give awareness that this is AI generated. So maybe if you're using this for your product ads and so on, you might want to get rid of the watermark. So I'm going to show you a free and easy way to get rid of the watermark. Alright, so the first site we're going to make use of is called on watermark.ai/Sora watermark remover. So you can see I'm going to upload my video here. Click on upload. So I'm uploading the video. You can see the video is uploading. You can see the video is done uploading. So I'm going to play the results. You can see the results video over here. I'm going to click on download video. So you can see here it's done downloading. So let's play the video. So this is the video here. So you can notice here a little bit of blur. So a little bit of blur on the hair. So that leads us to the next site, which is called Vmake.ai/watermark remover. So I'm going to click on the site. So this site actually requires you to sign up for you to have access to it. So the trick we're going to be making use of is that we're going to be splitting our video into two, since the Sora 2 AI video is 10 seconds max. So let me upload my video here. So I'm going to upload my video. You can see it's uploaded. So the trick I'm going to be using is that we're going to split our video into two, since the Sora 2 duration max is 10 seconds. We're going to split our video for 5 seconds, because on this site you can only download a 5-second preview. So you can see here it's loading. Alright, so you can see it here, it's done loading. So you can see the preview. So you can see here that the watermark is gone. So you can see this is just a 5 seconds preview. So it's best to leave it on smart remove. So if you want to download the full video, you have to subscribe to Vmake Pro. So we're just going to download the 5 seconds video. Since our 2 max duration is 10 seconds, we're going to split our video into 2 sections for 5 seconds. Whether we use CapCut or any editing software we know how to use. So I'm going to download the 5 seconds video. Alright, you can see here it's downloading. So you can see it maintains our resolution and everything. We don't lose resolution. So yeah, that is it for the second site. And if you want to get into this site, I dropped my code, my invite code in this video. Its code is 6 letters, so I split it into 2 letters in each section. So be vigilant and stick to the end to get the full letters to access it if you are not yet in the Sora platform. So that takes us to the next site, which is watermark.remover.io. So for this one, I'm making use of the Microsoft Edge browser. So I'm using the private browser Microsoft Edge. So why I'm using it is that it has a VPN, a built-in VPN that changes my IP whenever I open a new site. So you can either use the Chrome incognito mode, or you can use the Microsoft Edge incognito mode. So you can see a free AI watermark eraser and logo. So you can use it for image and also for videos. So let me drag in my video. So I'm going to drag and drop my video here. So you can see it here. So I'm going to click on confirm preview. So if you want the full HD video, you have to purchase it. So you see this also maintains the quality and everything. I'm just going to click on 5-second preview. So this site doesn't require any sign up, or for it to log in, you don't have to log in or sign up on this site. So I'm just using it in an incognito mode. So I'm going to click on 5 seconds preview. You can see analyzing your video. So you can see this notification here that says works best on static watermarks that are in one place, and for movie or complex ones results may vary. So I've used it for moving watermarks, and I've also used it for image watermarks, and it removes the watermark seamlessly. So I'm just going to wait for the video to load. You can see analyzing your video. So this is actually the same step that you cut in your 5 seconds and upload later on. You join the video clips together to sign up or log in on the site. downloading, so you can see the before and the after. See the after, there's no watermark on it. You can see the before and the after, no watermark on it. To see this side, so that has the watermark, no watermark. You removed the watermark, so I'm not going to click on download 5-second video. Click on download 5 seconds video, and it's going to download without you signing, or without signing up, or without you login. So these are the 3 best sites you can use to remove watermarks seamlessly on your videos or images. And I also shared my Sora 2 invite code in this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly consider giving this video a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.